Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the intercom and paging functions on your PolyEdge phone. The page function allows you to send one-way communication to all connected phones in your location. The intercom function allows you to have immediate one-way communication between you and one other phone without the need for either party to lift the handset. To use the page feature, press the paging function key and then highlight the group you would like to page using the arrow buttons. Once highlighted, press the page function key. The speakerphone button will light up green and you will hear a beep noise, indicating that you are now broadcasting to that group. To stop, press the speakerphone button or the end page function key. To use the intercom feature, press the home button, then use the arrow keys to highlight the intercom button on the screen. Press the middle button on the arrow keypad to select it. Then dial in the number you want to intercom with. Your speakerphone button will light up green, indicating that you are now broadcasting to that phone. To end the call, select End Call or press the speakerphone button.